In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Geico insurance rates in 2026. The first thing you'll want to do is go to Geico and review your current policy carefully. Once you're logged into your account, take a close look at your coverage limits, deductibles, listed drivers, annual mileage, and vehicle information. This step is important because even small inaccuracies can affect your premium. For example, if your mileage is outdated or a driver is still listed who no longer uses the vehicle, you could be paying more than necessary. Make sure everything is current and accurate before moving on. Next, check for available discounts. Geico offers a variety of discounts that can help reduce your rate, and it's worth reviewing all of them to see what applies to you. Some common options include multi-policy discounts if you bundle auto insurance with home or renter's coverage, multi-vehicle discounts, and safe driver savings. There may also be discounts for good students, military members, and certain employers or membership groups. On top of that, simple account features like paperless billing, auto pay, or paying in full can sometimes lower your cost as well. The key here is to make sure you're not missing any savings that are already available. Another option to consider is enrolling in Drive Easy if it's offered in your state. This is Geico's usage-based driving program, and it can reward safe driving habits over time. If you're a cautious driver and comfortable participating in that kind of program, it may be a practical way to work toward lower premiums. You can also look at increasing your deductible for collision and comprehensive coverage. A higher deductible often lowers your monthly premium, which can be helpful if you're trying to reduce your ongoing costs. Just make sure the deductible amount is still something you could comfortably afford if you ever need to file a claim. If your driving habits have changed, update your annual mileage. This can be especially useful if you're commuting less, working from home, or simply driving fewer miles than before. Lower mileage can sometimes translate into lower insurance costs, so it's worth making sure your policy reflects your current routine. You should also reevaluate coverage on older vehicles. If a car has a lower market value, collision or comprehensive coverage may not always make financial sense anymore. Review that decision carefully based on the vehicle's value and your ability to handle repair or replacement costs yourself. Finally, compare quotes before your policy renews. Insurance rates can change regularly, so it's smart to check both Geico and other insurers to see whether you're still getting competitive